Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to cite a PDF in APA format, so you can correctly reference your sources in academic writing. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Word document on your desktop where you want to include your citation. This is the file where your assignment, article or paper is written. Step 2. For an online-only PDF, type the APA citation, starting with the author name, usually written as last name, followed by initials. Step 3. After the author, type the title of the PDF, using sentence case where only the first word and proper nouns are capitalized. Step 4. Add the publication date next, placing it in parentheses right after the author name as required by APA style. The date shows how recent the information is and is essential for academic credibility. Step 5. Include the page number if you are citing a specific part of the PDF, especially for direct quotes or detailed references. Step 6. If it is a journal PDF, include the journal name, followed by the volume number according to APA guidelines, and italicize them if required. Step 7. For in-text citations, write the citation in APA style using the same format, regardless of whether the source is online only or not, typically using the author's last name and year. In-text citations connect your references to the exact sentences where the information appears. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.